Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Acer monitor won't turn on, power supply button and display reset fix. Fix 1 is check the power cable. Make sure the power cable is firmly connected to both the monitor and the wall outlet. Try plugging the monitor into a different power outlet. If possible, use another compatible power cable to rule out a faulty cable. Second one is check the power button. Press and hold the monitor's power button for about 5 to 10 seconds. Watch for a power LED. If it lights up briefly or blinks, the monitor is receiving power. If the button feels stuck, gently press it several times to ensure it moves freely. Third one is perform a power reset. Turn off the monitor and unplug the power cable. Press and hold the power button for 30 seconds. Wait for 2 minutes. Plug the monitor back in and turn it on. Fourth one is check the video cable. Disconnect the HDMI, DisplayPort, VGA or DVI cable. Reconnect it securely at both the monitor and the computer. If available, try a different video cable. Connect the monitor to another computer to see if it displays as image. Fifth one is select the correct input source. Turn on the monitor, press the menu or input button, then select the correct input source that matches your connection. Thanks for watching.